Be honest, you want to be a productive student, pray on time, and stay consistent. But your routine is a mess, right? What if I showed you a routine that fixes both your dunya and akhirah? We are already 4 months into 2026, and many students are still stuck in the same cycle: late nights, missed prayers, phone addiction, and zero focus. You want to study, but you keep getting distracted. You want to be a better Muslimah, but your routine does not support it. So, in this video, I will show you a perfect Muslim student routine: simple, balanced, and realistic. A routine that helps you succeed in studies plus Deen together. And don't skip, because one part of this routine can completely change your life. 1. Morning Barakah routine. Your day starts with Fajr prayer. This is your biggest advantage as a Muslim student. Wake up, pray Fajr, and don't go back to sleep immediately. Drink water, make your bed, sit for 5 minutes, reflect, and make dua. Even 10 minutes of Quran recitation changes your heart. But most students lose their focus right after this. 2. Deep study block means no distractions. After Fajr or morning hours, do your most important study session. No phone, no notification. This is your peak focus time. Imagine you finish your hardest subject before the day even begins. But energy matters too. 3. Energy and health routine. Eat a clean breakfast, avoid heavy, oily food, move your body even 10 minutes walk, because tired body is equal to distracted mind. 4. Salah based reset. Pause your day for Zohar prayer. This resets your mind in the middle of the studies. After Zohar, light lunch, then later Asr prayer. This is where most students waste time in scrolling. Instead, revise your notes and learn a skill. And then comes the most ignored part. 5. Evening balance. Pray Maghrib on time. After Maghrib, spend time with family. Relax your mind. Don't overload yourself. Balance is important. 6. Night routine. Pray Isha prayer, then do light revision. Plan your next day, and most important, no phone after fixed time. Like after 9 p.m., I don't use my mobile phone. 7. Sleep discipline. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Late nights are equal to low focus, missed fajr, bad mood. Here comes the most important part. Now listen to me very carefully. You can follow every routine, but without this, nothing will feel complete. 1. Pray all 5 daily salah consistently on time. 2. Recite Quran Pak daily. 3. Make dua sincerely. And 4. Do zikr and seek forgiveness. Because real success is not just grades, it's your connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A Muslim student connected to Allah can never truly fail. And here are some extra powerful points. So, first point is limit your screen time, especially in mornings and nights. 2. Keep your study space clean. 3. Surround yourself with focused people. And 4. Stop comparing your journey with others. Here is the truth: this routine is not hard, but your inconsistency is. You don't need a perfect routine, you need a consistent one. Start small, stay focused, and trust Allah. Comment what's your biggest struggle as a student. And if you are serious about becoming your best version, subscribe now and start your journey. And if you feel like you are lazy and can't stay consistent, watch this video on your screen right now, because this video will fix your mindset and help you stay consistent. Click it now and take control of your life.